Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin Gretsch and I will be introducing our topic today, which is ocean gyres, garbage patches in the ocean. Let's start off with what ocean gyres are. Ocean gyres are a system of circular ocean currents formed by global wind patterns and forces created by Earth's rotation. The three forces that can create ocean gyres are global wind patterns, Earth's land masses, and Earth's rotation. As you can see in this photo to the right, there are a lot of clockwise and counterclockwise wind patterns going on around the world. Because of these wind patterns, garbage from shores and floating in the ocean can drift into these areas and create garbage patches. And now we can dive into the question of how ocean gyres contribute to garbage patches. If debris makes it into the calm water areas of the ocean gyre, garbage can accumulate in large areas. Over a long period of time, tiny plastic particles, as well as bottles, cans, and wrappers, can make their way to these areas to form a garbage patch. There are 5 garbage patches in the world as of now. They are the North Pacific, South Atlantic, North Atlantic, Indian Ocean, and South Pacific garbage patches. The garbage patch that is nearest us in the US is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. It's located in the Pacific Ocean in between North America and Asia. The many effects of these garbage patches will be discussed throughout the presentation, but now let's move on to the relevance of ocean gyres and garbage patches.